It looks like a work of art, but its manufacture is an engineering nightmare. It's the heart of many projects and recognized challenge in the field of precision manufacturing. Thin as cicada's wings, with intricate curves and surfaces, any tiny vibration or error can lead to performance degradation or even component failure. Today at RAPMAF, we'll demonstrate how to actually conquer this challenge. At RAPMAF, we start with virtual simulation to ensure absolute accuracy. Through 5-axis CNC technology, we can approximate the workpiece from any angle and machine the most complex geometries. The real secret lies in the control of details. Dedicated tools, stable fixtures, and real-time on-machine inspection, all working together to ensure the precision and consistency of every blade. At RAPMAF, precision is not just a slogan, but a measurable reality of every single part. It's the impeccable surface finish on the blades and the flawless reproduction of your design from digital model to physical reality. No matter the manufacturing challenges your project faces, from complex impellers to precision medical components, here at RAPMAF is a partner you can trust. Click the pinned link in the comments to get a free manufacturing feasibility assessment and also a personalized quote for your project.